Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can map the S Pen hold down button to the recent keys on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on advanced features. Then in here, go down and tap on the S Pen. Next, you want to tap on Air Actions, and then we go down and tap on hold down pen buttons too. And at the moment it's set to the back button, so you want to choose recent key, and that's it. Now you can press on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now whenever you want to open up the recent menu with an S Pen, you just need to press and hold onto the side button right here. So press and hold, and this will allow you to open up the recent menu on your Samsung device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.